Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello my dear students, welcome back to first year accountancy online classes. Let's move to next topic, that is systems of accounting. See, the function of recording the transaction in the books of accounts are generally classified into two types. One is double entry system of accounting, double entry system of accounting, and the second one is single entry system of accounting. Single entry system of accounting. See, based on these two concepts or based on these two systems, we can record the transaction in the books of accounts. Once I told that is we should not record the transaction blindly unless we need to follow some of the principles or the basic assumptions while recording the transaction in the books of accounts. So, maybe you are running a small organization, you can follow the single entry system of accounting. But according to single entry system also, you need to follow some of the methods, you need to follow some of the principles. If you following the double entry system of accounting, the double entry system of accounting has its own features. You need to know that features or the basic assumptions which are following under the double entry system of accounting. We know the concept of dual aspect concept. According to the dual aspect concept, each and every transaction should involve at least minimum two effects, means twofold effect. One is debit aspect, another one is credit aspect. One is take aspect, another one is give aspect. Correct, right? So here double entry system of accounting. Let's study or discuss the first one, that is double entry system of accounting. It is one of the system of accounting. According to this system, see, many organizations, means maybe the large organization should follow this double entry system of accounting just because to know the exact amount of profit or loss earned by the sustained by the organization, because this dual aspect, means double entry system of accounting is based on the concept of dual aspect. It is based on the concept of dual aspect, that is each and every transaction has twofold effect, means has two effects, that namely one is receiving of a benefit and giving of a benefit. That is, what is the two effect? One is receiving of a benefit, another one is giving of a benefit, These two effects are involved in each and every transaction. Say for example, purchase. When purchasing something, we need to pay something. We can purchase. We can receive some chocolates by paying ₹100. So, chocolate receive agide, 100 rupees pay out agide, means hogi agide. That is, each and every transaction affects minimum affect two different accounts. It should be recorded in two different places. So the base this is considered as a basic principle. It should be followed. Means followed is that every transaction, every debit must have the corresponding credit entry. According to this double entry system, it says that every debit must have the corresponding credit entry, means it should be recorded in two different places. One is debited, another one amount under debited, and the same amount should be recorded under credit side. That is what, as according to the double entry system of accounting. and this double entry system of accounting is a complete system of accounting. It is a complete, we can believe such information, we can believe the information of the organization. Suppose that organization is following the double entry system of accounting, so it is a complete system of accounting. Complete system of accounting, and we can believe the information. That means the information provided under the double entry system can be reliable, and it is based on the system, means accurate system. It is a accurate system and more reliable. It is a accurate system. Accurate system and more reliable. We can believe the information. If the organization is following double entry system of accounting, then we can believe such information because it provides complete information and accurate. It is considered as an accurate system, so it is reliable. And this double entry system can be adopted, means followed by the small organization as well as large organization. Most of the large organizations should follow this double entry system of accounting in order to maintain or in order to get the exact amount of profit or loss or the exact amount of financial performance. Getting my point? That is about the double entry system of accounting. So according to the double entry system, this double entry system follow the principle of dual aspect concept. According to the dual aspect concept, each and every transaction must have two-fold effect. It should recorded under two different accounts. One is take aspect, another one is give aspect, receiving and giving. That is double entry system. And next one is what? Single entry system. Here it does not record the two-fold effect of the single entry system. Single entry system. According to the single entry system of accounting, it should not record, means it does not follow the dual aspect principle, means it does not record the two-fold effect of a transaction. It does not record the two-fold effect of a transaction. See, according to the dual aspect concept, each and every transaction means each and every transaction affects two different accounts and it should record under two different accounts, two different places. Correct, right? But according to the single entry system, only one aspect of a transactions can be recorded in the books of accounts. Maybe debit or credit, maybe cash paid or cash received. Only that much we can record in the books of accounts under single entry system of accounting. So here, instead of maintaining all the accounts, instead of here double entry system, under double entry system, we should maintain all the accounts. Maybe purchase of machinery, we should maintain machinery account. Purchase of furniture, we should maintain furniture account. Purchase of motor car, again we should prepare motor car account, like that. So here, according to double entry system, say for example, cash paid to Ram, cash received from Lakshman, cash paid to X person. We should maintain Ram's account, Lakshman's account, X account, A account, B account, like that. But here, according to this system, in order to maintain all the accounts, here just personal accounts and cash book are maintained under this system. Personal account like Ram's account, Lakshman's account, A's account, B's account, X account, like that. And cash book. In cash book, they record all the cash payments and cash receipts. Cash payments and cash receipts. Nothing other than else. So here, according to single entry system, the main meaning of this system, the important thing here, it does not record the effect of a transaction. So we cannot judge, means we cannot follow the information which is provided by such organization. Means these are not accurate, these informations are not complete. It is not at all called as a complete system of accounting like double entry system. So single entry system is the incomplete system of accounting. The informations cannot be believed. Okay, it means what? It is not a accurate system and it is not reliable. Here more reliable, here not reliable. Like that. So single entry system it is not a complete system of accounting. It is an insystematic, means here system, accurate system is not followed here. So incomplete and unsystematic account. So single entry system can be adopted by small organization or the individuals can follow just to know the exact amount, just to know the overall profit or loss. They can follow, means individual organized, petty shopkeepers or the small shopkeepers or the sole trading concerns, very small organizations, they can follow this system of accounting, because this system is followed by the small business organization, because it's a preparation of accounts is very simple, it is not a complex, so they can follow such system of accounting. So double entry system and single entry system of accounting. So according to the double entry system of accounting, here this double entry system of accounting follow the principle of dual aspect, twofold effect, means according to that each and every transaction should be recorded in two different places, because it affects two different accounts: accurate system, inaccurate system, complete system, incomplete system. It is more reliable, it is less reliable. So this is a comparison of these two. And another important next concept is basis of accounting. Basis of accounting. It is the next concept, basis of accounting. See, there are two broad categories of accounting. They are cash basis and accrual basis. Here, according to this cash base, under the cash basis, entries in the books of account or in the books of account are made when cash is paid or received. When cash is paid or received, and not when the receipt or payment is due. Means only cash transactions are recorded in the books of account under cash basis. Say for example, if the office rent for the month of January is paid in the month of March, but we can record that transaction in the March 2018 or 2019. We should not record the transaction until it is received from the client or received from the customer. Getting my point? Only after receiving the cash, after receipt of cash to your hand, then only you can record such transaction in the books of account. Maybe that transaction may be expense or income, whatever it may be. Only after receiving the cash or after paying the cash, you can record that transaction in the books of account. Suppose due is there, you can't record the such transaction in the books of accounts if you are following a cash basis. So according to the cash basis, cash transactions are made, means in the books of accounts can be recorded, means made when cash is received or paid, and not when the cash receipt or payment is due. ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಾಕಿ ಇದೆ ಅಥವಾ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಾಕಿ ಇದೆ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ, ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ you can record such transaction in the books of accounts based on cash basis. So similarly, sale of goods on credit. Sale of goods on credit in the month means it may be in the month of January. The payment is due. Maybe you can receive, you give the due date maybe to the March or February. You can record such transaction when you receive the amount. Say January transaction agide, February li receive ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, so you should record that transaction in the month of February, not in January. ಸೇಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಜಾನ್ವರಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಆ ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇದು ಈ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇನ್ಅಕ್ಯುರೇಟ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್, inappropriate ಮೆಥಡ್. ಸೊ if you are following the cash basis method, you cannot analyze the correct, you cannot find out the exact amount of profit or loss, you cannot match the expense and revenues according to the matching concept. So this system is an inappropriate system anta heli consider ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. So this is commonly used by the individuals or small business organization. Means business recognize revenues when, according to this basis, business recognize revenues when it is earned and cash is realized. When cash is realized and expenses when bills are paid. ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಿಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರೋ ಆಗ ನೀವು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರೋ ಆವಾಗ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ನ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ, ಇನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. And the next one is accrual basis. According to an alternative method for recording the transaction is accrual basis. According to this basis, or under this basis of accounting, the recorded means revenue is recorded when earned. Revenue is recorded when earned and expenses are recorded when liabilities or assets consumed or the irrespective of any payments or any inflows or outflows of cash. ಯಾವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಕ್ಕರ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯೋ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿ, ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪೇಯ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್, ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ದ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಡೇ. ಇಫ್ ದ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೇಲ್ in the month of January, maybe you may receive such amount in the month of February, but you should record that transaction in the month of January itself. So whether you received money or not, you should record the transaction. Whether you paid expenses or not, you should record the transaction in the books of accounts according to the accrual basis. Getting my point? That is what a cash basis and accrual basis. Most of the organized, in order to get the exact amount of financial position or the financial performance of an organization, you need to follow this accrual basis. This accrual basis of accounting is an appropriate or a systematic accounting method. Here you can record both the credit transaction and cash transaction immediately based on the chronological method. So the accrual basis is most commonly used by the large organization or the large business organization. So this is about the basis of accounting. Just take down the assignment question. Give the meaning of single entry system of accounting. System of accounting. Thank you for watching this video.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.